Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, participant in the oral presentation of the WASH Goal 2021 conference. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. I am Nurul Ariza from Department of Midwifery Graduation, School Hasanuddin University Indonesia to present my paper under title is Perception of Pregnancy Mother and Evaluation of the Laxative Properties of Aloe Vera as a Constipation Drug. Constipation is one of the gestational discomfort in the pregnancy. 60% is felt by women during pregnancy, especially in the first and the third trimester. Gayston Hall in the World War 2011 defined constipation is difficult to impede the intestine, slow peristaltic, dry stool, and the desiccating colon that accumulate due to the extrahepatic fluid absorption. Based on the World Health Organization 2018, 11 until 38% of the pregnancy will be experience constipation problem, and 43.5% were manageable and the renewable continued into the postpartum period. Constipation in the pregnancy woman is classified as functional constipation, cause has impact the anorectal function, hormonal effect, physical movement, level of the physical activity, dietary pattern, growing fetus. According to Mika Korejiwi, laxatives are substances that can stimulate peristaltic movement on the intestinal wall. The miracle plant believed to be the best laxative in this world is aloe vera, has content activity as anthraquinone. Aloe vera contain lactative or exudate component that contain less publication phenolic compound, namely is aloin. Aloin is the compound contained in latex yellow sap that has bitter taste, found under the green skin, has cytotoxic properties, and inhibit the cell growth and development. Harmful compound cause inhibiting of the osteogenesis and damage fetal growth, such as ear, leg, or tile defect. Therefore, it is important study to evaluate the laxative properties of the aloe vera as a treatment for constipation in pregnancy women. Objective: to determine the characteristic of the pregnancy woman with constipation, the participation of the pregnancy woman in the healthy constipation, and evaluate the laxative properties of aloe vera as a constipation drug for pregnancy women. Method: this research design use a descriptive research design with the quantitative survey approach. It will be held on the 5 until 19 October 2020 at 23 Pontianak City Health Center. Primary data DTPPAS, the instrument used in the questionnaire form distributed via Google Form. Result: based on the result of the survey of the research on the 510 pregnancy women in the city of the Pontianak, it was found that active 5.8% or 438 of pregnancy women were constipated, and 14.2% or 72 another did not constipation. Constipation is not a disease but a symptom. Based on the survey result, most patients complained in the frequency defecation is 89%. The percent of the strength was not strong is 62%. Hard stool such as a stone is 57%. Inability to defecate when desired or a feeling of incomplete expel of stool is 44%. And needed manual action more than one time in for defecation is 27%. Characteristic of pregnancy women with constipation is based on the age, based on the gestational age, based on the number of parity, based on the consumption of zinc, based on the pattern of exercise in a day, and based on the consumption of high fiber. Diagram 1 is based on the participation of the respondent in healthy consumption. Most of them choose herbal treatment, level is 46% or 232 people. Diagram 2 is based on the respondent participant of consumption aloe vera. 48% said it could not be used on the constipation medicine. Diagram 3 is based on the respondent participant of the safety of consumption aloe vera for pregnancy women. Most 17 said people didn't know of the how to be the safer to pregnancy women. A recent study by Rungsi Brikam, the high prevalence occur between the age of the 30 until 65 years. And according to the result of the Lawson study in Legat, identified gestational transit time in the significantly longer in the second, third trimester compared to the first trimester pregnancy from 75 until 99 minutes. Result of Elizabeth in England, which is status of the ones of woman expecting pregnancy and the childbirth. The function of the discs and the reproductive organ will be described by 10% for more often you get pregnancy and give birth. The more you give a function and the reproductive organ it will describe. Increase the absorption of the iron because of the content cupric sulfate and the management sulfate will are calcitic. The stimulate blood formation tissue and the trigger in the hormone progesterone which slow down in the gestation process. Regular physical activity can trigger intestinal peristaltic to work normally, so that it's the shorter transit time is the gestation tract and the help extract phases. Lots of the fiber result in the food and the entertainment colon and the will ferment in the large intestinal and slow down gastric emptying, retrain air for the age of the inhaler, so that it can be tried constipation. The way to deal about eating 3 meals in 3 days large question. Intestinal mode to smell important to work in the so the chronic intestinal will be helpless work to the H1. The result is a result stage of the pregnancy woman treatment with laxative would be better. Constipation that was not treated during pregnancy, 34% would complain the labor process and the continue into the postpartum period. Based on the survey of recent herbal consumption showed no side effect, while the consumption of pregnancy laxative was followed by discomfort such as annoyance, stomach pain, stomach bloating. Based on the Andrianus research, aloe vera contain anthraquinone compound that have been proved to be the strongest component in the income indication. According to a research by RADA, anthraquinone is not potent laxative, work to effect the motility of the large intestine resulting in the acceleration of the colonic transit time, effect the process of mucus and the chloride secretion and the increase in fluid volume. Transit by Sandip and the Mogadesi proved the laxative effect of aloe vera is stronger than other herbal, including Stena, Caesarea or rhubarb root. Aloe vera contain a latex component or the exudate content is less the fabrication phenolic compound, namely barbalian. The aloe content lactate is difficult to remove without a long processing. Aloe vera should be available by pregnant women during the menstrual cycle, pregnancy, and lactation. Aloe vera is cytosolic component make the uterus contraction, inhibit the cell growth and development. Aloe can be penetrate the present barrier, which is the member that protect the fetus from the harmful compound and the will occur then causing inhibiting of osteogenesis and damaging fetal growth such as ear, leg, and tail defect. So the conclusion is many pregnancy women have their unknown the concern about the side effect of the synthetic drug, so the 46-7 turn the traditional method and the choose herbal. The strong laxative properties I found in the aloe vera plant with the important harmful anthraquinone. However, 60% of the respondents do to know the aloe vera contain laxative or exudate component the accountably phenolic compound, namely aloe, which is the danger for pregnancy women. The use of the aloe vera as the constipation medicine in the pregnancy woman can still be used after long the processing to the remove latex and the retest is disruptive. It is necessary to process aloe vera gel by removing latex properties that is a utilization of the aloe vera content of the constipation medicine in beneficial for pregnancy women. In this paper, I use 40 for the literature review by Journal International and Journal National.